In our series of videos to help people understand how to start a business. Today I'll be talking about pre-startup actions. There are certain pre-startup actions which you should keep in mind the time you have to start a business. First, you have to understand what are the legal requirements for starting a business. Is the business legal? Is the business illegal? Is the business eco friendly? Is there any other restrictions in starting the business? These will vary from country to country, state to state. So you have to understand where to start the business. So after you understand, legal requirements could be registration, register with the tax department, register with the local administration and other agencies like foreign exchange in case required for export out. So these are the basic legal requirements. Then also you have to look for a place, look for a location which is conducive to your business. It is not in a remote place, it may be in a friendly place, a place where the staff can come, and a place where you can get help for your infrastructure support, a place which is not very expensive and you can work undisturbed. The employees can come, the employees can go. And this is an important part for the employees' retention also. After then, let's say you have decided a location, you are decided you know your legal requirements, you are complying with them. You must now keep a name. What name you want to keep? If it's a service industry, you have to decide a name which indicates a service industry. Manufacturing, try and keep a name which is catchy. Try and keep a name which reflects some part of your business, and that is very essential to people to have a recall value. Now you have decided you can comply with the legal requirements. You located a place. You have put a suggested name. Now you have to look at starting the financing needs of your the business. Will banks be available? Will other institutions be available? Is there any government funding options of subsidy, etc.? Then also what tax you should collect, what tax should you deposit, what are the compulsory requirements for tax planning and tax submission. That becomes a very important part of your business. Okay. Then next, after tax planning, you also have to see where exactly you have to now see how to incorporate your business. There's a separate procedure to incorporate your business. Incorporate also means whether you are going to have a proprietorship company, you are going to have a partnership company, or you got to want to have a private limited company. Each of these procedure type of companies have their own requirements, and you should be able and different compliance standard. So a bit about your ability, about your capacity, you decide on that. But my advise you to be either start a proprietorship or start a partnership. Partnerships normally are not very lasting, but then you have to make a choice. Then let's come to advisory service. Which all advisory service you may be requiring? You may be requiring advisory service for production. You may be requiring advisory service for compliances. You may be requiring advisory service for production process, or you may be requiring other marketing advisory system. So you have to now look at that aspect also. Now try and attend upcoming seminars in your area. These will able to give you updated information, will also provide you with a platform to interact with your local peers, local associations, etc., and update your knowledge. Then there are some networking events. You should try to make use of those networks. That could be dealers meet, it could be producers meet, it could be exhibitions, fairs, where you can possibly have some kind of a publicity material available, and if you can afford it, also have a good website. Website these days is like a visiting card. It gives to customer confidence. It gives a customer about the nature of business. So these are in short the requirements and the pre-startup requirements for a business. In details can be given at a later date. Thank you. God bless.